Thank you for using SpeechLive. In the following video, we will go over how to install and use the SpeechLive app on your Android device. To start, open the Google Play Store. Using the search bar at the top, search for SpeechLive, then tap on the Philips SpeechLive app. Tap on the Install button and wait for the app to download and install. Depending on how your phone is configured, you may need to be connected to Wi-Fi to download the app. Once downloaded, tap on the Open button. Once opened, sign into your SpeechLive account. If you have not yet created your account, please contact your administrator to request an account activation link. You are now ready to start dictating. To start your first dictation, tap on the red plus icon in the bottom right-hand corner and select Dictation. If you are on a trial account or have the speech-to-text package, you may select the speech-to-text option to use it. To begin recording, tap on the red record icon at the bottom of the app. If this is your first time using the app, you will get a prompt asking if you want to allow the SpeechLive app to use the microphone. Select the While using the app option. Once you have made your recording, tap on the record icon again to pause recording. Tapping on Add a Title at the top of the app will bring up an Edit Title window. Here you can add a name for your dictation. Tap on OK to save the name. Tapping on the eye icon in the bottom left-hand corner will bring up the dictation properties. Here you can change the priority of the dictation as well as various properties such as the work type, category, and department. Once you are finished, tap on the checkmark icon. The options that will appear to you will depend on what features are available to your account. If you wish to continue your dictation or revise it later and not send it, select the Save as Draft option. To send the dictation to SpeechLive, select Send to Transcriptionist. If you have the speech-to-text package and wish to utilize it, select the Send to Speech-to-Text option. If you wish to use the Philips transcription service, select the Send to Transcription Service option. To delete the dictation, simply select Delete. Once the dictation has been sent, it will appear on the Sent tab in the SpeechLive app. When your transcriptionist has finished transcribing the dictation, it will move to the Finish tab. If it is archived, it will be moved to the Archive tab. When working with dictations, there are times where you may wish to make changes. To do this, first move the playhead to the spot where you wish to make changes. You can also use the playback controls to listen to the recording and pause where you want to make changes. Tap on the icon just to the right of the eye icon in the bottom left-hand corner. 3 options will appear for you. To insert into the middle of a dictation, select the Insert option. To overwrite part of a dictation, select Overwrite. And finally, to simply resume recording at the end of the dictation, regardless of where the playhead's position is, select Append. Thank you for using SpeechLive.